welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today we're making an anti-aging moisturizer, a moisturizer that can help to transform your skin. If you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s, this is going to help. If you're in your 70s, 80, 100, this is going to help. Reduce wrinkles and fine lines and boosts collagen and elastin in the skin. This is also good for the buttocks. It's also good for your striations such as your stretch marks. So come over with me to the kitchen and we're going to mix this up, and I'm also going to share some tips on how to get the best result from using this on. So here I have some coffee beans, and these are rich in antioxidant. Coffee helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin and also boosts collagen and elastin. We're going to take about 3 tablespoons of the coffee beans and we're adding this to a blender. If you do not have a blender, you can go ahead and you can use a grinder. Once this is done, we are gonna blend, and we're gonna blend this to a fine granules. Coffee also have exfoliating properties. So my next ingredient is gonna be orange peel, dried orange peel, and this is rich in antioxidant. Vitamin C help to lighten, brighten the skin and reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. I'm going to use about a half of a medium orange peel, and I'm going to break it in small pieces for easier blending. Once this is done, I'm going to add it to the blender along with the coffee, and I'm going to blend the two dry ingredients together. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to blend. After blending, reach for a saucepan and place this on the stove top. And next, I'm going to pour the blended coffee and orange peel in the saucepan. Next, I'm going to reach for some water, and I'm using about 1 cup of water. I'm pouring this in, and we're going to keep stirring this until it comes to a boil. So pour that 1 cup of water in and keep stirring. And this is giving off an amazing aroma. If you're looking to exfoliate the skin, if you're looking to lighten and brighten, you're looking to shrink large pores, you're looking to get rid of grease and dirt from the skin, this will help if you use it on a regular. So keep stirring, keep stirring. We're waiting for this to come to a boil, and this is going to take about 3 to 5 minutes or so, depending on the stovetop that you're using. And if you feel like it need a little bit more water, you can go ahead and you can add it. You can even choose to add some rose petal to this, or some dry hibiscus if you have it, for a even stronger facial moisturizer. Now, once it comes to a boil, you are going to remove it from the stove top, and then we are going to be straining. So reach for a strainer and strain. You can choose to use the strainer like I'm using here, or you can choose to use a cheesecloth. Whichever you have, go ahead and use it. No cheesecloth or strainer, go ahead and use some form of a cotton cloth, clean sterilized cotton cloth. So now that we pour this in the strainer, I like to just go ahead and press it a little. And I'm using my wooden spoon to press it. And after straining, I'm going to reach for some aloe vera gel. And aloe vera gel helps moisturize and smooth the skin, very hydrating to the skin. It makes your skin soft and supple. I like to use it especially in the warmer months because it also helps to protect the skin from UV ray. So 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. Next, I'm moving on to some vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil helps to promote skin and reverse signs of aging. I'm using about 3 to 4 drops of the vitamin E oil. I'm also going to be using some grapeseed oil, and I'm using about a teaspoon of the grapeseed oil. And now we're going to mix this all together. So we're mixing the coffee and orange peel mixture with aloe vera gel, vitamin E oil, grapeseed oil. Mix and mix well until the aloe vera gel is totally dissolved. This should start to look more gel-like consistency. You can also choose to use a whisk to whisk this together. Now, once this is done, we are going to reach for a small sterilized container, and this is what we are going to use for our storage jar. So now let's pour in. And take a look at this. This is how jelly it looks. Now, depending on the aloe vera jelly you're using, if you don't get this jelly-like consistency, go ahead and add an extra teaspoon of the aloe vera gel. But you want it to come out more of a serum than of a liquid consistency. So now let's just continue to fill our small storage jar up. This you're going to keep in the refrigerator and you're going to use it up within 7 days. You're going to wash your face thoroughly. Once your face is washed, then you're going to go ahead and spritz on your facial toner. After your toner, if you have a serum, go ahead and use it. If you do not have a serum, then reach for this. And this you're going to use after the serum or after your facial toner. You're going to take about 2 to 3 drops. You're going to apply it all over your face, your neck and décolleté, and you're going to massage it on the skin. Massage in upward stroke for your face, downward stroke for your neck. AM and PM, and this is also good to wear under makeup. Now, once you're done, you are good to go. Go ahead and use it. Give it time to work on the skin, at least 2 to 3 weeks on the skin, and you're on your way to a more younger, a more fresher, a more radiant looking skin. Remember to store the leftovers in the refrigerator, and when this is done, go ahead and make a new batch. One thing I forget to mention, guys, is that if you have striations, stretch marks on the skin, whether you have it on your stomach or your buttocks, this is also great for stretch marks and varicose vein. So all you need to do is just to massage it on this area, massage AM and PM, and just watch your skin transform.